There's nothing quite like the feeling of creating something special with your own two hands, especially when it's a gift for your beloved pet. Imagine the look on your furry friend's face as they strut their stuff in a cozy, festive sweater you made just for them. This holiday season, why not treat your toy dog to a one-of-a-kind handmade Christmas sweater? Crocheting might seem daunting at first, but with a little patience and this easy-to-follow guide, you'll be well on your way to becoming a pet-pampering crocheting pro. Crocheting is a wonderfully relaxing and rewarding hobby. It allows you to tap into your creativity while producing something tangible and heartwarming. This guide will walk you through every step of the process. We'll use simple language and clear instructions, so even if you're a complete beginner, you can follow along with ease. Get ready to unleash your inner craft maker and create a festive masterpiece your canine companion will love. Before we embark on our crocheting adventure, let's gather all the necessary supplies. Don't worry, you won't need a whole craft store's worth of materials. Here's a list to get you started. Choose a soft, washable yarn in festive colors like red, green, or white. Acrylic yarn is a great option for beginners as it's easy to work with and machine washable. Select a hook size that corresponds to your chosen yarn. The yarn label usually indicates the recommended hook size. A sharp pair of scissors will be needed for snipping yarn. To ensure a perfect fit for your furry friend, you'll need to take a few measurements. This handy tool will help you weave in any loose ends and secure your snowflake appliques. Having all your materials prepped and ready will make the crocheting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Once you have everything you need, find a comfy spot, put on some holiday music, and let's dive into the wonderful world of crocheting. Step 1. Take measurements. Measure your toy dog's chest circumference and the length from the neck to the base of the tail. Use these measurements to customize the sweater. Step 2. Create the base. Foundation chain. Chain a length equal to the chest circumference of your toy dog, ensuring it's a multiple of 2. Join with a slip stitch to form a circle. Round 1, 3, work in single crochet, SC, to create a snug ribbing. Round 4, 8, switch to half double crochet HDC for the body of the sweater. Alternate red and green yarn every 2 rows to create festive stripes. Step 3, add armholes. Round 9, crochet 10 HDC. Chain 5 for the first armhole and skip 5 stitches. Resume crocheting 20 HDC. Chain 5 again for the second armhole and skip another 5 stitches. Complete the round. Round 10, work HDC across, crocheting into the chains from the previous round to form armholes. Step 4, add the neck. Round 11, 13, switch back to SC to create a tighter, snug collar. Ensure the fit is cozy but not restrictive for your toy dog. Step 5, snowflake decoration. Use white yarn to create small snowflake shapes. Chain 4 and join to form a ring. Work 6 SC into the ring. In each SC, chain 3 and slip stitch to the next stitch to create a star-like snowflake. Attach the snowflakes to the sweater using a yarn needle. Step 6, finishing. Weave in all loose ends using the yarn needle. Block the sweater gently to even out stitches if needed. Now that we have our supplies ready, it's time to get our little model involved. For a perfectly fitting sweater, we need to take a few key measurements. Don't worry, it's a quick and painless process. First, measure the circumference of your dog's chest at its widest point. This measurement will determine the width of your sweater base. Next, measure the length of your dog's back from the base of the neck to the beginning of the tail. This measurement will determine the length of your sweater. Remember, it's always better to err on the side of a slightly larger sweater. You can always adjust the fit later. Now that we have our measurements, let's grab our crochet hooks and get started on the first row.